Well, it's Friday, and it's windy, cold, rainy, and horrible outside. But I was able to catch bait, and this is going to separate the men from the boys right here. We're going to catch fish, one way or another. But I can guarantee we're going to be the only ones out there. Last night, we had hail, inches of rain, and today we're facing 30+ mile an hour wind gusts. It ain't looking good for the BuffCats, but we're gonna go on. This entire week, we have faced the odds. The rain has been outrageous, the wind's just killing us, and I haven't even been able to catch very much bait. Not to mention that no one really wants to go fishing. But real BuffCats don't back down from a challenge. I have caught the bait, I have pushed through the weather, and we are going out there to catch big fish. I don't care what it takes. Finally on the river, where I truly belong. We're going to set the lines, and we're going to catch fish. Starting the day off right, we catch a fish on our first line. It's looking like the weather wasn't so bad after all. I'm glad we persevered. But then comes the bad news. We pull up to our first trot line, and it had been cut in half. Either by a person or debris, I'm not sure. But even so, we were able to catch a few fish on it and wrap up and salvage some of the trot line. And to make matters worse, each and every pole is coming up empty.
Well, it's pretty disappointing thus far. We've had one fish out of 10 limb lines, and our trot line got cut and caught a few blues on it.
But then it happened. A pole was shaken. Could we have the 50-pounder we've been searching for? This could be it! Nope. A half-pound channel cat. And it wasn't even hooked. It was caught by a whisker. Look at that. It just gets off. We are in desperate need of some good luck. So we come up to our second trout line. That's right, we put out 2 this time. Thank God, because if we didn't, we'd be screwed. And I hope that it pulls up some good fish.
On there. Oh man. Okay, there we go.
Black one.
Nice.
Face the odds putting these lines out. Hail, rain, 40-mile-an-hour wind.
Well, I worked real hard all by myself putting these lines out. Kind of disappointing results, and we got one flathead, pretty decent, and one good decent blue. But other than that, nothing. But that's food on the table, though. Really.
This is the stuff BuffCats are made of.